Got a little smoked pulled pork right here. Guys, we're going at it again. We're gonna do a little pulled pork bombs to go along with my other bombs series. So we got our smoked pulled pork right there. I actually smoked it, it's mine. I was in the backyard doing it all yesterday. Got a couple big old pork butts on. We're going in with a little of these French fried onions. Give this little mixy mix in there, right? Oh, that's looking good. I'm gonna add just a touch of barbecue sauce. The pulled pork already has some barbecue sauce on it when I did the braise on it, but I'm adding just a little bit more moisture in there. So when we get it all wrapped up in the biscuit, it stays nice and moist and delicious. This is our little filling. Let's go ahead and bust out those biscuits. We got our Uncle Pillsbury's Grands, the buttermilk biscuits. Let's get these open. Is it gonna pop on us while we open it, or is it not? All right, think we're safe? Last little bit, all right, we're safe. Let's give it up. Give it the old 1-2 on there. Drop them biscuits out. Now my cupcake pan only has 6 spots, so we'll reserve a couple of these on the side, and we'll get these ready to roll. Get 6 of them going. We'll have 6 bombs, but obviously you can make more if you want. We have our greased muffin tin right behind it. Guys, we're adding a little cheddar cheese to these bad boys so we get a nice big cheesy bite in the middle. So we're gonna take our biscuits, flatten them out, make them thin to the edges, right? We want a pretty healthy size, as thinned out as possible, right? So we're gonna load these up with plenty of this pulled pork. It's gonna be amazing. So, what is that, 4-inch diameter, give or take? As far as you can get it to go without tearing it. So we got our little pulled pork mix here with the onions, the fried onions in it. I'm gonna add just a little bit in the middle. There's gotta be an easier way to do this. I don't know, these little chopstick thingies that Mr. CJ bought for me. I know they're quite working out as well as I'd hoped. All right, so we'll add a little bit more on the top here. Put that piece of cheese right in the middle, and then just start bringing it in, closing it up on itself. Remember, we want to make sure this is very much sealed, right? Keep pushing. We got this all sealed up on the bottom, right? Looking good. All right, let's get this in the pan. Our little muffin tin is a jumbo muffin tin, and it's already greased up with a little bit of avocado oil. It's a non-stick pan, but you never could be too safe. Never could be too sure that it's gonna unstick when you want to pop one of these bad boys out, right? You all made my bomb videos do so well. I had to keep doing it because y'all put so many good comments about what could be added into these bombs, right? That I just can't leave this alone. I gotta keep finding new bomb ideas, if you will, right? So we'll get our little piece of cheese in there. Just a little bit more pulled pork on the top. And like I said, we're just closing it up on itself. Make sure it's nice and sealed. All right. Looking good so far. I hope you're with me so far. We got nice and sealed in the bottom. And a nice little bomb on top. All right. Let me finish these up, and we'll show you how we're gonna doctor these up before we get them in the oven. Hit them with a little bit of olive oil on top. And I'll show you what we're doing that for. So we wanna brush that on real nice. Right. Olive oil is gonna make it brown up real nice, golden brown and delicious. It's also gonna help these sesame seeds stick. Here we put a little sesame seeds on the top, change it up a little bit. It's like a pulled pork sandwich, right? So a lot of buns come with sesame seeds. These will brown up real nice too in the oven. Last thing we wanna do is give it a little vent holes on the top here. Just make a little X marks the spot on top. Because we don't want these bombs to explode, right? I hope everybody answered right when I said right. The other thing too is give me your ideas for a good bomb idea. Give me a bomb idea for these bombs. What do you say? You know the drill, 350, 15, 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown and delicious. All right, let's get these in the oven. I'll see you in a sec. Bombs are ready to drop. All done, looking lovely. Let's get into one. Right, we got one out of the pan. Let's tear into, what do you say? All right, cheesy, barbecuey goodness. You know that looks money. We gotta get a bite. All right, y'all, we got sesame seeds all over the place, but that's all right. These looking bomb, because they're the bomb, or a bomb. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me what we should make a bomb out of next. Cheers. Hell yeah, baby. Guys, even if you need to get some store-bought pulled pork, give this one a shot. Too dang good, too dang easy, and you know they're great for grab-and-go meals. Take them out, make them up for the kids. Perfect. I gotta go in for another bite. Because you know they're good, baby.